Welcome to Horizon Ridge in West San Antonio, where lifestyle meets design. Here you'll find the Hamilton floor plan by Pulte Homes, a thoughtfully designed two-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms in 2,591 square feet, with 2 living areas. Enjoy the first-floor owner's suite, open-concept kitchen that includes a large island with ample seating, flex space, and a living room with dramatic 2-story ceilings. Plus, Horizon Ridge offers incredible amenities like a pool, pavilion, and playground, and even stunning golf course lots. This is more than a home. It's the lifestyle you've been waiting for. Enjoy the home.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership, whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for, whatever it may be. Just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.